I'm canceling myself. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Nikki. How are you? In today's video, we are going to be doing another challenge. Today, we are going to be doing my makeup in reverse. I'm already stressed out about it. So yeah, I'm going to do every step I would do backwards down to the littlest detail. I had to write everything down because I do everything a little bit different each time. But if I was going to do like the whole shabam, like full glam, my first step would be setting spray. So I always start with the MAC Fix Plus and then finish it off with the Morphe. So I'm gonna do that backwards. So, oh, I put a little too much on. We're off to a good start. So I was trying to think of ways to substitute certain things because I had to watch a few videos to figure out exactly how everyone else was doing it. Not that I'm trying to follow everybody else, but the last thing I always do is lips. Now, I have no idea what kind of look I want to do, but because it's almost that time of year where it starts to become fall, at least here in where I live, because it's already cold outside. You all are probably getting sick of me playing with glosses, but this is my day. So we're just gonna put on Shockwave by Jeffree Star, and we're cute, right? Okay, so then I do mascara. So I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and I'm gonna use Big Ego by Tarte. So now I do brows. So I have to start with the brow gel. This hurts my soul. Woo! And I usually only take it to about here. So then, that's the last thing I do. So then I can outline, right? No. Ooh, this is hard. When I was watching these videos, I was like, oh, this will be easy. Nope. Now I have to do this. And then I get to outline, I think. Y'all can clock me if I'm wrong. This hurts like my soul to do this backwards. Actually, it's not that bad. But it's just weird because I always do foundation before I do any of this stuff. Okay, so in my routine, after that would be, oh my god, would be, I wrote it down and I'm still like looking at it like it's wrong. So the next step would be highlighter. I'm having an anxiety attack as we speak. So I guess I don't own any liquid highlighters, and the videos I watched had people using like liquid stuff. I'm just gonna use powder and hope for the best. So I'm just gonna go in and highlight all the normal spots. I guess I could go a little heavier handed with this since I have to put everything over it. So I'm gonna look like a glazed donut for a minute. Or look a mess. Okay, that's a damn mess. Okay, so now we move on to blush. So I don't own cream blushes, so I'm gonna cheat and I'm going to use a lipstick palette. But you know what? It's gonna be fine because it has to happen. So I'm just gonna go into this light pink right here. And I'm just gonna, oh god. That's actually not too bad. Now to contour. I'm excited. So this is the Anastasia. This is in Mink. This is a stick foundation, but I'm going to be using it to contour. I don't know who lets me out. I don't even know. I look like a Napoleon ice cream. You know, of all the things I could be doing, this is what I choose to do. So here's the part where it gets a little tricky. So this is the step where I would set some of my face after I conceal. I usually do under my eyes, a little bit right here, sometimes on my forehead, depending on... But I guess we just have to do it anyway because that's the rules. So I'm going in, this is Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, so I'm just going to do a very, very light layer of this. Now it's time for concealer. Not excited. Oh, that's awkward. Okay, so now I have to put it down my nose, and I put highlight. Okay. I hope you all are enjoying this. I mean, aside from right here, I'm like, it's not that bad, right? Okay, so foundation now. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. We're a little shiny. I'm not mad at it. I mean, I'm mad at it, but I'm not, like, mad at it. So normally I would prime my eyes, but for the sake of there being eyeshadow left, I'm just going to just use the foundation that's on there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go, this is an old one, and this was like my favorite for a while. This is the Ulta plus Jenny Fox. This is the Miss Fabulous. This is like my absolute like go-to colors. It's very fall, it's very me, it's going on my face. So, I normally start with my transition shade. And then I go into, I don't even remember. So I do transition, lid, darker, highlight. So then I have to start with my highlight, right? The inner corner highlight. Okay, we can do that. We got this. Taking the, I don't even know what brush this is. I'm gonna go into this white shade called Virgo. And I'm just gonna place that right in that inner corner. And then taking a little bit of the Kalon Cosmetics Loose Mineral Eye Dust in Opal. I'm just gonna place that in there too as well, just to make it pop a little bit more. Okay, so lightest color than the lid color. So lid color. Lid color, lid color, lid color is going to be... This is called Grwm. It's a dark, orangey, like a burnt orange. I'm just going to place that all over my lid. Look how pigmented this is. Holy hell. It's been a minute since I've used this. So then I would go into a darker shade. Does this have a dark brown? Okay, so then I'm going to go into the Anastasia, and this is Back Rolls. This dark brown. You know what I did? I lied. I would have done underneath first. And actually, I would have done eyeliner first. Screwed that up, but I'm just going to go back. I'm going to backtrack real quick, and I'm just going to put on some eyeliner. So going back into Grwm, I'm just gonna kind of drag that underneath. Yeah, blending brush. I just saw one. Where are you? Okay. Okay, so these two palettes clearly do not go well together. They do not want to blend. You see that? It's like a line and it's just not. It's not having it. You know what? Looking bullshit. Ugh. Okay, you know, this is not working for me. I'm trying my damnedest, but mistakes were made. These two eyeshadow palettes do not mix together. So I'm just gonna be that today. I'm gonna go into Suck in the Jawbreaker palette. And I'm going to go over right here since this orange decided it wanted to be a jerk. I mean, it's my own fault. The palette's old. You know, we learned. I don't even know why you guys subscribe to me. I can see my follower count dropping after this video. I'm canceled. I'm canceling myself. I'm mad. I don't want to do this anymore. Maybe I can salvage this. Glitter makes everything better, right? Actually, that did kind of make it better. Alright, we're gonna throw a cute puppy at it instead. Alright guys, Chewy wanted to come say hi. I'm gonna end the video here before I get a little bit any more stressed out than I need to. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button. I really need to start throwing away eyeshadow palettes. That's all I have to say. But I threw glitter on it, and hopefully it made it better. My dog's trying to eat my makeup. No, 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 you can't eat that. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.